What's up everybody? Today we're going to be going over all these features in this trailer that I built a few years ago. It's a unique one and it was designed with a specific purpose. So we're going to show you that, and if you're interested, it's for sale. So this trailer was designed to be able to haul 2 rigs in a relatively short package. So the trailer deck is 24 feet. You basically put a vehicle in the center and then you put one up on the ramps while you're towing it. Those ramps go up hydraulically. You'll load your vehicle, put the ramps down, and then load your second vehicle on. We're going to show you how that works. So in this front box, this is where your hydraulics are. So there's 2 separate hydraulic systems. One controls your hydraulic jack for lowering and raising when you're hooking to your vehicle, and then the other controls the ramps. So we're going to go ahead and raise the ramps. Another feature that we built into this trailer are these lockouts. So once the ramps are up into place, you crawl up here, pull these pins, drop these down, and then you would have somebody lower this, pin it into place, and then this would lock the ramp out. So if you had a big truck that you needed to put on here and needed the whole deck length, you could tow with the ramps in place. We outfitted this trailer with a Switch Pro. We put it in this weatherproof box. So this controls all your lights. So if you look, it's got Baja Designs lighting that goes all the way around. And then it also has the small rock lights mounted underneath the deck, so it illuminates the trailer deck at night. There are 3 spots still open on the Switch Pro, so if you wanted 3 additional accessories, you would have room for that. We have 2 winches, one up top, one right here. They're both worn 10,000 pound winches. We have these cases on here to keep them protected with the sun, but synthetic rope all ready to go in case you have a down vehicle. You can pull it up onto the trailer. Same with the top deck. If you needed to pull something up onto the ramps, your winch is up there to do that. So now moving up top to the party deck, we're going to show you how the railings work. So once you're at camp all set up and you want to set up your party deck, you come over, pull these pins, pin that into place. Same thing over here. Pin into place. Then we have these cables. So now once you're set up at camp, you got your railings up, you can come up here, hang out, and take it all in. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this. We had an awesome time building this. If you're interested in purchasing this, reach out, multiple different platforms. We are looking to get about 60 grand for this. So 60 grand or best offer. Hit me up, let me know, let's get this thing sold.